Hey there, welcome back to Tech Beginnings. Ever needed to find out your computer's name or its basic specs like RAM and processor type? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly where to look in Windows 11. No tech knowledge needed. Let's dive right in. Click the Start button, then select the gear icon for Settings, or just type Settings into Search and hit Enter. In the left-hand menu, click System, then scroll down and click About. Device name. This is your PC's name on the network. You might see something like Desktop1234AB. You can rename it if you want. Processor and RAM. You'll also see what kind of processor, CPU, your computer has and how much RAM, memory, is installed. Device ID and system type. These show your device's ID and whether it's running a 64-bit or 32-bit version of Windows. Want to give your PC a new name? Just click Rename this PC, type a new name, and restart your computer when prompted. And that's it! Now you know how to check your PC's name and important system details in Windows 11. If this helped, click like and subscribe for more Windows 11 tutorials made simple. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.